Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing and I will give you my first impressions about the Samsung SoundTower ST50F. So let's see what we have in the box, and I am very glad that Samsung released some new speakers, because the speakers that they have, like the Samsung ST50, are quite old. Notice, before first use, please charge power to wake up the battery. So probably the battery is in deep sleep, and that's why we need to charge it to wake up it. This is not a bad thing, this is a very good thing. Almost every new speakers have this battery. Let's see it. Whew. This is shiny. So at first look, it in my opinion it is okay. Let's see what else we received in the box. So we have the manuals that no one reads, and the power cable, only one power cable. Let's see if it will start. Press on the power button, nothing. Okay, so let us connect it to the power source. So till I connect it to the power source, I will tell you the price of these speakers. I paid around $500 on it, and it is much more expensive than the Samsung ST50, that it is much bigger. Of course, this is the new technology, and that's why I think it costs more. I think only 1 meter, so the cable, it is really small, but we will try to manage. It has the power connector here on the back. Let's start it. Well, it is waiting for pairing. Samsung SoundTower 50F. So now I am connecting. Let's see the specs of this speaker. Well, this speaker, it is the direct competitor of the JBL Party Box 320. It has 240 watts of power that comes from 2 tweeters and 2 6.5-inch woofers. Let's see on the top the interface buttons. So this is the light module. Oh, it has lights even on top. It looks good. It has lights here on the woofers. This is a LED bar, and here play and stop button. Probably this is the volume. Okay, so I really love that we can see the volume. This.
Are you ready?
Okay, so we have a small. So we have a small DJ something here. The inputs, the Bluetooth. Here we can see the inputs, the bass. So we have one level of bass. This is the equalizer for the mic and of the guitar. Now we see here that it has a big handle, wheels on the bottom for an easy transportation. They don't look that premium as the JBL wheels. Let's see the inputs. So this is the AudioTribe multi-connection button for this. This is the aux in. the mic 1, AUX, mic 2 and USB for charging the phone. This is where you can switch between them, and that's about it. And let's see the battery. The battery, it is not that big. It is similar with the battery of the JBL Party Box 320. It has 9300 milliamps and works with 7.2 volts, and that's it. So I really like that it has a removable battery. This is a very good thing. Of course, it has the base port here on the bottom, on the back part, and as general presentation, compared to the JBL Party Box 720 that we have there in the back, it doesn't look that good, but it doesn't look bad. In my opinion, the 720 that we have there or the Sony XV800 looks better than this, but this has much more lights. So I think we can put it even on this side, on both sides. I don't know, we will see. Now let's do a sound test to see the sound of this speaker, because I am very curious about the sound.
Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I'm in through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
That was the sound test. Now let's put a 50 Hz, because I am very curious if it can handle 50 Hz. So 50 Hz flat. Let's increase in power. And let's do 40 Hz. Ooh. Okay, so I have a very good conclusion about this speaker. Let's disconnect it from the power source to see if it will stay turned on. So it says turned on. What can I say? As looks, I am not impressed about the looks. I am not impressed about the lights. I like that it has lights here on the top. I like that it has here some stroboscopes and here, but yeah, looks are not everything, lights are not everything, and I like more the lights of the JBL Party Box 320. But we don't buy speakers for the lights, that is just a bonus. We buy speakers for sound quality, for bass, for loudness, for intensity, and for everything. And at loudness, I will definitely tell you that this is very loud. As intensity, I think probably the JBL Party Box 320 it will be with 15% more intense than this speaker. Even at the bass part it will be much better than the Samsung ST50F. So it has the same construction of the JBL Party Box 320. It is similar with the Sony XV800, but let's talk about the sound quality. Over 50%, 60% of the volume, the sound quality is not, I am not a big fan of the sound quality. I can definitely tell you that it sounds good at 50%, 60%. After that, the sound, I don't like it. It's like a cheap speaker. It sounds just like a cheap speaker for me. This is my opinion. And the bass, so we made to test 50 Hz and 40 Hz. At 50 Hz it doesn't impress me, but at 40 Hz the house was vibrating. So the conclusion of this video is this: for $500 you can get other speakers on the market that sounds better, that have better intensity, in my opinion, that looks better. And yes, if I had to choose between a JBL speaker and the Samsung ST50F, I will for sure choose the JBL Party Box 320 because it looks better, it sounds better, it feels better. Yes, I am trying to find a reason why to buy this and not the JBL Party Box 320, but I don't find any. So I paid $500 for it. In my opinion, this is a little bit expensive for what it gives us. Probably at $350, if you will find it, that will be a very good price because it is better than a JBL Party Box 120. But the sound, it is not balanced. I don't like the sound, come on. Of course, I will gonna do a full review in a couple of days. I will switch the equalizer, I will play with the settings, but out of the box, in my opinion, at full volume, at over 60-70% of the volume, it doesn't sound good. It has the Aura case, it has the removable battery, it has this handle, it has this these lights, but I'm not impressed. I'm very curious if you are impressed with this speaker. Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!